If you were to give one piece of advice to other mātua who are raising young children, raising families, and who want to increase their reo, what would your advice be, Amiria?
I would say it's never too late to learn. My mother-in-law is 69 and just starting to learn Te Reo Māori, so she's started to increase her reo at home with our kids. And my advice would be ahakoa he iti, akona kōrero here, although it might be a couple of words, it's a start, and keep it up, keep learning and keep talking.
Ai, kōrero reo. Shayla, what would your advice be?
Similar to media, start small. There's a lot of places that provide like free classes. There's the libraries, the internet apps, and it is never too late.
Right. Keep looking.
Keep looking.
Ka pai. Hama.
Tautoko. Te Reo. Ka pai.
From a father's perspective, you don't have any other whakaaro o rereke?
No, like, I just used my own situation and we just started. Didn't really have a guide. Mm-hmm. It was just live it.
Live it.
And we still are living it.